Okay guys, so these are the lions. Girly lion, sleeping, she's passed out, and there's the boy lion. See him? He's like, I've had it for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. You see the little wifey? Look, yep, he's looking. Actually, it looks like, kind of like, it's been a rough day.
It's like she had enough, just resting.
She's like, don't bug me. I'm tired.
Don't bug me.
He went back to rest.